Virgins can't use a menstrual cup. You can't use the washroom when wearing a menstrual cup. A menstrual cup can get lost inside the vagina. Menstrual cups are painful and uncomfortable. Stop! I know you guys have a lot of questions about the menstrual cup. So today I am going to clear all your doubts for the same. Well, the most commonly asked question is, can I pee with a menstrual cup? The answer is yes. Yes, you can pee while wearing your menstrual cup. I will tell you the concept behind this. The menstrual cup is basically worn inside your vagina, whereas a woman pees through the urethra. Both the things are totally different, so no need to worry. So you can absolutely pee with a menstrual cup in. Can a woman use a menstrual cup if she is a virgin, or will it break the hymen? Yes, you can. It doesn't matter whether you are married, unmarried, or a mother of two. Therefore, using one is not going to affect your virginity, since the hymen is just a thin tissue that covers your vagina, so no need to worry. Now I will show you how to fold the menstrual cup, or what type of folds are there. Well, I am using everteen menstrual cup. It is made up of 100% medical grade silicone, so it's super comfortable to wear. Let me show the folds. C fold, double 7 fold, diamond or half diamond fold. Well, I personally use everteen menstrual cup. As I already told you, it is made up of 100% medical grade silicone. You can use it for up to 12 hours. The best thing about everteen menstrual cup is that it doesn't cause skin irritation or any kind of discomfort, as it is reusable for up to 10 years. I have mentioned the purchase link in my description below.